equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools. You'll need a small screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, power off your Surface device. Next, remove the screws on the back cover. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the cover is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any dust or debris. Use the soft cloth to gently wipe surfaces. If you see any stubborn grime, a little isopropyl alcohol on the cloth can help. After cleaning, check for any loose connections or damaged parts. This visual inspection is crucial. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Reassemble your device by carefully placing the back cover and securing it with the screws. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. If you need repairs, we provide a quote before repair. With no calls and no travel, maintaining your Surface device has never been easier. Keep your tech in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.